Hi, and welcome back. Hope y'all had a good 4th. I know I did. We went to the I went to the lake with wife and kids and had cookout and shot some fireworks. But came home and apparently a storm come through and took a board out of my carport and it hit the windshield of the Camaro. And I'll post a picture right here. So as of now, I believe the Camaro is going to be done. Probably going to drop insurance on it and just wait until I get enough money to fix it. Which I mean, windshield for that I think is about 150 to 200 bucks, which isn't bad. But I'm wanting to get this fixed so I can be driving it. And that Camaro needs a ton of work. It's rusty everywhere, all around the back windows, around the windshield. But that'll be another project that we pull in here after we get that done, because I just want to get the Bronco done. I figure this will be the next car that takes the car show, or to a car show. I did have plans of going cars and coffee with the Camaro, but not anymore. I'm gonna take a picture of how I fixed it, but let's just say if you have an eBay store and you have this eBay tape, it sticks really, really good to glass. So not a sponsor or anything, but I think I got 12 rolls of this for like $3. So I'll take a picture of the windshield and next video I'll show you what I did. Anyways, I think tonight we'll do some more drilling out on spot welds and see if we can't get that kick panel off. And if we get that done, I think we'll be doing pretty good. But other than that, that's all I have planned for tonight, is just trying to get that off. Anyways, we'll see how far we can get. I think I got all the spot welds. There may be some hiding in here, which I think that might be one right there. But I'm gonna start trying to separate it and see how far we can get. But anyways, let's see if we can separate it.
I about made a little bit of a mistake. Didn't really notice these until I was pulling on it, but these need to come out in order to get the kick panel out. And I didn't realize that until I knew it wasn't moving through here.
Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. We didn't get it off, but I think most spot welds are out. We'll have to check again. But yeah, hurt myself. Ain't nothing, but I'm hot. It's late, and I gotta go to work in the morning. So next video, try to get that off again. And I think I'm gonna try to keep this front apron piece and make a patch for that. But you see when I hammered on it, it kind of just smashed it all, so there's actually nothing there. I could just go ahead and cut it where it is, but anyways, we'll take a look at that a little bit more next time, and we'll try to get that kick panel off, and if we do, we'll clean up the tub where it welds to and the rest of the stuff in preparation to put that back on. So we got to do the floor too. That's gonna be a nightmare, but anyways, we'll stumble through it, and I'll do my best, try to get it right. But if y'all see anything that I'm missing or lacking, and you know a tip or a trick or a certain way to do it, that's the best way to do it, please let me know, because I'm just kind of looking up on the internet, seeing what everybody else is doing, and just kind of doing my own thing, kind of going blind. But yeah, we'll get this done hopefully soon. But I think I'm gonna probably lose 50 pounds just being out here working on this thing, because it's another about 90-degree night out here and I'm burning up. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Usually something on the Bronco, but now it could be Camaro or something else. I don't know. Speaking of the Camaro, I don't know. I was thinking, since it's kind of a rough shape and needs a lot of work now since the windshield's busted, I was thinking about pulling the engine out of it and trying to put an LS in it eventually. I don't know if that's something that maybe y'all like to see. And then I was going to put that engine that's in the Camaro in that GMC pickup with a 3x2 intake, 3.2 barrel intake, eventually on that one too. And I have the transmission for it sitting down here, so it's kind of wanting to pull that one in and try to get it running so I'd have a pickup to drive around in. But anyways, if you like what you see, just please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and really helps me out, especially on days like this when I just get back from a short vacation and don't really feel like coming out here. But knowing that people actually kind of enjoy this, excuse me, kind of enjoy this, me stumbling through this, it really makes a difference and kind of gets me motivated to come out here more. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.